Hello everyone, and this video I'm going to show you how to pay for Apollo Group TV with Cash App. And as you can see, I am on the official page of Apollo Group TV. Here are the steps on how you can do it through Cash App. Kindly download Cash after your smartphone or iOS. You can download it by App Store, and for Android you can download it via Google Play Store. Now you need to verify your Cash App account for you to be able to transfer Bitcoin. Once your account is verified, add cash to your Cash App account using your debit card. Once your cash out, while it's loaded, you need to convert your funds into Bitcoin. Go to the Apollo Group TV website and assigning to your account. Then choose the package that you want to have and then select payment method, could be Bitcoin or Cash App. Then copy the address that you can see below the QR code. Then go back to the Cash App application. Then go to the Bitcoin page. Then click the paper plane option. Then click the box where you can scan something. The next step is you need to paste address and then put the amount for the subscription that you want to have, and you need to make sure that it is on $ and not Bitcoin sign. Once done, click on send, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.